Do you find it hard to work out problems that involves laws of indices in mathematics? Then let's solve that problem. So today we're looking at laws of indices. We've done the first part. We've done a video titled Laws of Indices Part 1. So if you've not seen that video, then you need to go watch it before you see this one. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Don't forget, hit that subscription button and follow us so you get notified when we drop more videos. Okay, let's get started into the laws of indices. 2, the second part of it. So the law of negative indices, when you have a number raised to the power of a negative number, it means that that index is a fraction. So negative indices that says a, when a is a real number, a is to the power of minus m, that should give us 1 over a to the power of m. So let's see some questions that has to do with that. So here is an example, 4 to the power of minus 1 and 5 to the power of minus 3. So when we have 4 to the power of minus 1, it's 1 to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of 1, which would give us 1 over 4. And this one is 5 to the power of minus 3 is 1 over 5 to the power of 3, which would give us 1 over 125, right? Which is 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so let's see one more question on that. We can see the next question, 2 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of minus 3. 2 to the power of 4 is simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So then this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 1 over 5 to the power of 3. Which one multiply? We have 2 to the power of 4 over 5 to the power of 3. And that's how we work it out. So this is simply saying that when you have a number raised to the power of negative, that negative becomes fraction. So it will become 1 over that number to the power without negative now. So that's how you work it. Now let's look at the next law of indices. So the second part, which is the fractional law. The fractional law says a to the power of 1 over m would be the root m root of a to the power of 1. So this means if we have 2 to the power of 2 over 3, right? The down fraction will be the root. So this means this is cube root because it's 3. Cube root of then the base, which is 2, to the power of 2. So this is what this is simply saying. The down fraction, which is the denominator, the power denominator, would be the root, while the numerator will be the power or the base. So you can see how we did it here, right? Let's solve one question that has to do with this law. So here is a question, 27 to the power of 2 over 3. Remember, the down denominator is the root. So since it's 3, that means it's cube root of 27 to the power of 2. So cube root of 27. Cube root means what number will you multiply 3 times to get 27? And that's 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So 3, remember your power to the power of 2, and 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So this is how you solve fractional indices. Let's solve one more before we go. So here we have 1000 to the power of 5 over 3. So, which is still cube root. Okay, let me change the power so we solve something else. So now we have 1000 to the power of 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 now means square root, right? Square root of 1000 to the power of 5. So square root of 1000 is what? Since 1000 is not a perfect square, let's change it to 100. So square root of 100 is 10, right? To the power of 5. Square root of 100 is 10, 10 to the power of 5. And 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000. But I hope you got this about fractional indices. And if you got value from this video, drop a comment, like, share, and invite your friends to watch as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.